kicking the dirt. I've been towing that line, got salt and sweat stinging my eyes, but I'm digging down deep. It's good to be alive.
All right, Happy New Year. Whew. New year, new camera, new media mod. Let's see what we can do. I don't know, it's kind of dark here. Hopefully you can see me. Whew. Let's go. First video of the year out here on the Rio Vista Trail, which is the second time I've been out here this year. They've cleaned it up a little bit over the winter. It's Saturday, January 11th, and next weekend getting ready for the rock and roll half marathon. Whew. Okay, let's try this again, take two. Whew. Hopefully you can see me. All right, here we are, January 11th, 2025, new year. Woohoo! Happy New Year, everybody. Good morning. Out here on the Rio Vista Trail. And a lot of people are out here this morning running. Next weekend is the Rock and Roll Half Marathon, which I'm doing. So today's a long run. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Woo! And this is Training with John Schott. All right, out here at the Rio Vista Trail. It's beautiful. Saturday morning. It's pretty chilly. I didn't know what to wear. Got out of the truck, it was 35 degrees. So, but it's warming up. Sun's out. Let's go. Woo! Let's do this. I love to see those guys playing baseball out there.
Well, I can silence the world, open my eyes. I'm strong in this moment with a quiet mind. Pushing hard for that summit. Oh, it's gonna be alive.
It's so good to be out here, out at Rio Vista Trail. Beautiful Saturday morning, long run with the brand new Hero 13 Black Gopro. I have the modified lens, ultra wide, and then the mod. So let's try it. Let's see how it works for the new year. Woo. Good job. I've got a lot of runners out here this morning. I love that. Woo. All right, here we are. Almost a turnaround. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. This is gonna be my longest run of the year. Well, of 2024, 25 for sure, but of the whole 2024 other than last year's rock and roll half marathon. So let's do it. So I thought it would be a good time on this video to tell you a little my schedule for 2025 that I have started. So next weekend I'll be out at the Arizona Rock and Roll Half Marathon, Tempe, Arizona. And then for my birthday in March, I have a sprint triathlon that I'll be doing. And that's out at Anthem. Hopefully we'll do well there. I don't know. And then going out to all right, let's try that again. All right, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about my year. We are gonna do the Rock and Roll Half Marathon, Arizona Half Marathon next weekend. So that'll be fun. It's coming up. Am I ready? Oh, that's questionable. We'll do it. And then in March for my birthday, I'm gonna do the Try for a Cure sprint triathlon out at Anthem. That'll be March 8th. And then next event of the year for 2025 will be in April, and that's going to be the Nashville Rock and Roll Half Marathon. Whew. And I'm excited for that. So we're going to spend a few days out there. I don't know, I'm trying to learn this new GoPro. Let's see how it works out. We'll find out back in editing. Whew. I also thought for this new year first video, I would throw on a few questions and answers. Number one question I always get, are you still running? Yes, I am still running. People never know if I am. I know I've stopped making the videos. I'm going to try to be much better in 2025 on that. That's number one. Question number two. How do you do it? Well, my answer to that is I want to keep living. And I am a firm believer in exercise is life and the best quality of life. I've been doing this for a long time. I believe it. Second is, I've got 4 great grandchildren, another one on the way. I love those kids. I've got a great family, a great wife, and just so lucky to be alive. What more motivation do you need than that? Let's do it. When I get home, I'm gonna have to check this new GoPro out. I think I've got it on a setting of quick burst, which only lets record for 30 seconds. Good morning. So we'll see. A lot of runners on the trail today. I love it. Whew. Hopefully I can make something of this video. If it's choppy, you'll understand. Okay, there I did it. Last hill of the day. All right, 1 more mile to go. We can do this. Thank you for all your support, and please subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Whew. Great job, great job. I always love that. There's a lot of older people that come on the trail. Ran past a bunch of old ladies and they were like, go hun, go hun. That's funny. Let's do it. Well, there you have it. I just finished up. Longest run for me, long run, and 7:93, almost 8 miles. 10:50 pace. That's okay because I was taking it low and slow. No fuel. Went with no fuel on that, and whew, it's great to be out on the trail again, back at the truck, safe. And thanks again for all your support. Have a great new year, 2025. Let's do it. Let's keep physical, let's keep moving, keep pushing. KP, Grandpa Life, go one more. Woo! And this is Training with Johnny Schott. Woo! Love you guys.
It's good to be